My brothers and sisters, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet una according to una time. If una check the signboard where the arrow they move up and down for behind me, so na place where I for take vaccine. So this place now we are for give me vaccine where they call Pfizer, which they call the American vaccine where they call Pfizer. So the Pfizer vaccine where I take, so now I say may I see use this video to encourage everybody. Because of say this corona virus where they go, so it never still finish. So Indian variants does it come out again. South Africa does it do their own. So China does it do their own. Now I say make I use this one to tell our people where they carry rumors up and down. They talk say this vaccine where they give people so now to keep people now lie. Now that they talk, they not they use it until they keep people. Rather they use it until they protect people. If you take this vaccine, you know me say you know if you get the virus again, but if you get the virus, you know if you hook you down, you know if you weigh you down, where you know where you go see yourself for hospital. Now be the thing. So the people where they speak English, they thought say prevention is better than cure. Now I say make I use this thing to tell our people where they carry rumors up and down, say if they just take this virus, they take this vaccine, or if they carry this coronavirus, once they press remote. And so the people they die, anybody who don't take the vaccine. All those one are fake rumors where people they carry they go. And I don't know where they for hear the rumors. Whether now some people see they carry on under religional aspect, say they say now 666, all those one are fake. You understand? Now the things where you're supposed to take, where you know say you will take prevent or to protect yourself. If you know say you never take the virus, you never take the vaccine. Anytime we reach your tongue, I advise you where you go take. Because me don't take my own. You check the arrow way there. So because of privacy, now they don't allow me do this video for inside the place where I for take this vaccine. So me don't take my first dose. If you know so I never take my own first dose. When I just wrong now, when I go collect my first dose, because they say they know they leak person mouth for person during Harmattan. Go by yourself, go lick your mouth because anytime where alarm blow again, the thing never see finish. So and you see yourself to blame that time. Not all say not here. Say first state immigrant solution don't come bring this news to una forefront. Now make me just say make I use this opportunity to enlighten my people where they carry the rumors they waka. They talk say this COVID-19 vaccine. They use it until they keep people, or they use it until they keep black people. Different rumors now they hear up and down. So tell my ear don't full finish. And I say man, I can't drop this small video. The reason why they drop this video, so not be say man I can't show off, say I don't take the vaccine, but make a content enlighten our people where you know say if they carry rumors up and down, say they get the opportunity to take this virus, this vaccine. They don't want to take this vaccine. Even my mom don't take. All my brothers, they don't see take, and my sisters, they don't see take. Now, me can say, make I see take my own. So my wife go see take next week. So next to be her own too. Mona go take run. Mona go take una vaccine. Una hear what they talk. So both people in Nigeria they take this vaccine. I don't know why some people see they talk say this vaccine not good, not good, not good. They keep people. They keep people. Anybody where knows say that they don't key. Nobody way don't get evidence. They say now many pass for everything. Me just by myself go see the place. Me even stay up to 1 hour for inside the place where they take this vaccine. Nobody will take this vaccine where he die immediately. They don't take the vaccine because where they take this vaccine. So doctors food there, nurses food there, medical professionals now just dey inside there. They enlighten people before you take this vaccine. After you just take this vaccine, so you sit down for 15 to 30 minutes, make the vaccine digest for your body before you feel come out. And the doctor say if you take this vaccine, sometimes if you get small headache or if you get small pain for where they for shook the noodle for your body, that one are normal. Even pikin where they see they give this immunization vaccine too, they see they get this kind of problem. Make we see use this opportunity to take this vaccine. May we take protect our life and may we still take protect people who still surround us, because if you not take this vaccine, at the end of the day you can't get coronavirus. May God forbid bad thing and it can't go end for where you're not supposed to see yourself now. So the family and everybody will still miss such person if you dey in pain, or if the person not come fit survive am because of say the virus you can't get am. So may you protect yourself. And this vaccine not talk say you no get virus again. It talk say if you get the virus but e no come fit weigh you down as you first be where you never take the virus. Now I make am say make I use this opportunity to drop this small pidgin English video, make I take explain and dualize all the things where they happen concerning the vaccine matter. Because me they always dey like seeing is believing. I make me come by myself, come see I can't see take the vaccine. As me they tell you so, now vaccinated person I make be so now I make me dey shine my eye. You know so even though say they press remote, this guy wey dey see so he don already collect the vaccine. And the second dose after 8 weeks, when I say they wait another update of this video, I still can't drop another one. I can't tell you now say I don't still take the second one. So this one are the first one. I say I take use and take holla all my first aid immigrants solution supporters. I agree to now. I throw salute. When I never say I never come ever since, and because of say one thing where I see they put in place. If everything do yakata, so I'll see come, man, I see come update una concerning what they happen. So more and not forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you still get any information, more and not forget to see come my number 351012325. If the number not they go, more drop comment for the button of this video. I throw away salute, una cash and forget for the watching. I holla on. Bye bye.